Hello, YouTube! Say hello.
Hello.
Say hello, YouTube. Ooh, glasses. I just want to say thank you for the great, what's the word? Not generous. I guess heartfelt. For the heartfelt responses from yesterday's video. I was a little nervous posting, and already waking up this morning, there were some very nice comments, some good views, and a lot of thumbs up. So we appreciate that. And this morning we're gonna do probably my hair at some point. A little bit more of the mundane. So part of Jason Loves Life. Jason Loves Life. Okay, here we go.
Did you guys make a slide?
Play.
You are, yeah, play. So smart. Oh. Uh-oh. Frumpkin will fix it. Can we fix it?
Yes, you can.
Good.
I don't know if you can hear that yo gabba gabba in the background. Just ignore that. Since the wife's left, we've gotten a little bit of a backup in dishes.
Today,
You might not believe this, but I didn't have a dishwasher growing up. When I went to college, I didn't have a dishwasher. None of my apartments had dishwashers. When we bought this house, don't quote me on this, but I think it was 4 years ago. It was over 4 years ago. I don't know if it was 5 or not. Anyways, that was the first time I had a dishwasher, and it's a portable dishwasher. So today I'm taking the time to read the manual. I've used a dishwasher before, but like pots and pans, I don't understand. Top rack, bottom rack, does it matter? I don't know. I'm gonna read the instructions, and I'll get back to you.
what are you doing? Nose. Yeah. What is that? Hot, yeah. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. Are you playing in the steam? Get it! Get that steam!
We're gonna run quick to the library. Not related to going over the washing machine. What? Yeah, I had to bribe the kids to get in here with suckers. Does that make me a bad dad? I don't care. I got them in here.
Look out. Go ahead. Go ahead, Pumpkin. Do you want to open the door? Try. Perfect. Pumpkin. Fine. Oh, yeah. Is that gingerbread man? Yeah. Oh, nice clock. All right, one puzzle and we're gonna go. What's this?
5.
Yeah. What's this?
7.
Yeah.
Okay, last one.
9.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh no.
Did I learn anything from reading the dishwasher manual? I did. The big one being that a half-filled dishwasher takes the same amount as a full dishwasher, and usually I don't pack it full because I worry that if you overlap things, I don't know. It's hard to tell. It's like, well, I want my dishes to be clean, so I'm gonna try filling it up more. It's also hard to find space for everything, but I thought that was an interesting point, that half-filled dishwasher. I mean, normally I don't feel, you know, like you get it 50, you get it 90% full. It's the same amount of water, so I thought that was interesting, and that you can't put plastic or glass on the bottom, even though I think we do all the time. So, so I have a question for you. Sometimes we get a white substance on our dishes, and I assume that's soap. Is there any way to get past that, or not do that? Is it the wrong soap? Is it something with the dishwasher? If you know the answer, leave it in the comments. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow.
Ooh, cold.